Daytona, baby!
What's up, people? Nicky Nunchuck here, back with another video. In this video, you'll see the first day of Daytona 2023 Bike Week. You'll see a quick stop at Cabbage Patch, meeting a new buddy on the road that we get rowdy with on Main Street. We got a hotel, we ended up staying there for the night. This is my first ever bike rally that I got to experience, and since I am now an Orlando resident, if you haven't seen that video, go watch it. I went back on the next coming Saturday and got a bunch of crazy footage, so watch out for that video, guys. I definitely stopped at Cabbage Patch. It was way more lit there. Hint, it involves coleslaw wrestling. Really like and subscribe, guys, and thanks for watching. Peace.
Ooh. It's hot as a bitch.
Here we are. Warriors come here to wrestle in coleslaw. Hydration is key.
Holy shit, that grass really sunk my bike.
I gotta say though, the 1 hour ride from Orlando to Daytona, coming from Illinois, with all just straight fields and not many hillies and curvies, this ride was very beautiful. I'm happy I took the side streets because I took the highway the next time and it was a nightmare.
Uh-oh. Better not be a bike accident. What's up? I have no idea, yeah. Where is it? I'm gonna follow you. I'll follow them. Go right? Is it right here, right? Hell yeah. Dude, this is awesome. Jesus. Yes, sir. When I bought the bike was a 16. Made it to Main Street. Josh on the road glide. And our first drinks at Daytona. Let's fucking go.
Gone crazy about a Mercury. I'm gonna buy me a Mercury and cruise it.
Cheers, buddy. To Daytona. Oh, that's really, it's detailed. Yes, sir! Badass. That's cool.
Baby, call me daddy.
She's riding that big ass bike. You're gonna call her daddy. Look, we touched. Hey, everybody. She's not on TikTok naked like Josh thought, and I confirmed this.
Wheelies, and then he got in a fight with fucking a bunch of other dudes. And then he did a wheelie down Main Street.
Why did he get into a fight?
Because they called him a fucking pussy for not doing a complete wheelie on the back of the bar.
Well, I would have said, you pussies go do it then. You were sitting on the fucking
his
bar.
dumb fucking ass put it on the bar and scraped, and the cop come and got him.
Thank you.
Fatboy or Harley?
Fatboy. So, Veronica decided to come out. We got a hotel room for the night. I gotta work tomorrow, but hey, let's fucking rage tonight. Happy. What a view. Look at the Jack Daniels on the guy's fucking dead horse. That's how I look like going to bed at night. Is that a Honda Fury? It sounds nicer than I thought. Woo! Bike week, baby!
What'd you write? What'd you write?
That's me!
You a Nicky Nunchuck?
That's me!
Nicky Nunchuck. Fucking get it. Do you have nunchucks?
Yeah, not on me, but yeah.
You might have one out of him too. Hey, am I a video doing that shit? What the fuck? I do want to jack with you fucking.
I need 3 more. 3 more Jack? What'd you say? I said, for Burry. I'm like, Jesus Christ, we get personal quick.
America, fuck yeah. My fat ass can run fast.
You said the fat guy.
What did you think was gonna happen?
Breakfast. We go back to the house.
Breakfast. What are you doing?
I gotta be at fucking Daytona Airport at 10 o'clock.
I gotta be at work at 11, so we gotta be up at the same time. Fuck. It looks like you, bud.
So I need $3.
Third eye means a vagina.
Chuck.
Wait.
That's not a shirt, bro. That's a chain.
Do you work here only on bike week, or do you work here all the time?
I work here all the time, but I work.
So you must eat.
Not an excuse.
You take lunch break.
Excuses.
No, I don't. Anymore.
Where do you get the food from?
Dedicated ass.
She doesn't want to. She doesn't want.
DoorDash.
We hungry, Lord.
That's
why I bought a koozie, you know?
Well,
Cheers.
Uzi.
Figgity fucked
I
up.
thought. Cheers.
I got the chode koozie and you guys got the long one.
You are a chode. That's why.
I'm trying
This
to.
fucker.
That's all carbon fiber.
That is sexy. Is that separate? It smells like it. No, it's that way. There you go.
Booty holes for $1. You ready? I got $1 if you show me your booty hole. This is not my GoPro. This is not my GoPro. Listen.
So show yours. It ain't no big deal.
Baby, I'm.
He looks like he's game.
Show me your butthole.
And I went, Daddy, Grandpa, tell me a story about the good old days. He goes, I'm taking a shit, get the fuck out of the bathroom.
Your dick sucks while you're taking a shit.
Yeah.
That's a thing.
It's
disgusting.
It exists. It's a word.
I would not do that.
A blump kid. I wouldn't wish that against anybody, but
Smell it every time I bounce, it makes it worse.
she likes fucking people on the shitter.
Your penis doesn't match. It says 9.5 inches.
Damn, big thing.
You wanna see it?
My X-ray says 6.
I'll give him
Huh? Is it too spicy?
Yeah.
Just found out that Twisted Tea, the cap, has random words. Then I collect them, and they have random words.
I'm not eating that spicy ass bullshit.
Never mind. I don't collect them.
Josh, grab it.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, absolutely. I'll take one.
Ace and something. I don't know.
Extremely nervous. Never seen titties in my life.
Is that good?
Can you do some for me? Can you? This is for you.
Take it. Amber.
Nipples.
Deal from the Florida Lottery. Must be 18 or older to play responsibly.
Sexy.
We need to go to another bar.
Yes.
Yes.
We need to go to the bar.
Like the fence.
This is what you get when you bring your girlfriend out to bike week. I was here to see fucking bikes. Love this. I want to do it again. We lost Josh, but there's a diner over here, and it's dinner time. Morning. Bike week was a fucking riot. Hope you guys liked the footage, enjoyed it. I'm gonna come back next week, so this ain't the end. What a fucking party, dude. Good time. Bike week 23, baby. Hey guys, you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. As you heard from my shirtless, hungover self, I did come back, and I will be making another video, so this is the end of part 1. Please smash that like button, share, subscribe if you can. Anything helps. I took a little bit more time on this video, especially on the editing side of things. So I really do have fun making these, and hopefully can make some more, do some more things around Florida. Alright guys, thank you. Take it easy.